The article develops an analytic account of non-human animals. Current legal status: animals are often characterized as legal things and property. But that characterization is simplistic and sometimes incorrect, seeking to dispel orthodoxies, offering nuance, context, and scope in Western law, in European jurisdiction, to historical regimes, to ways to see the commodity regime, the more than commodity regime. Treating animals as commodities has been the rule for millennia. But the situation now is multifaceted. Companion animals, private law shifting away from commodities. Wild animals no longer legal things as a result of you, wildlife law. More than commodity, more than a thing, shifting legal status, changing everything. More than commodity, more than before, a bird's eye view of animals in the law. Multifaceted arguments synthesized into a bird's eye view of animals in the law. In the law. In the law.
Eis naturale es quod natura omni animalia dociut. Namius istud non humani generis proprium est, sed omnium animalium quae in caelo, quae in terra, quae in mari nascuntur.